How's it, aloha, your Uncle Burpee Yoga with another recipe, quick and easy using the air fryer. Doing a salmon bake, very simple, very few ingredients. Check it out, and please hit that like and subscribe button. Help us get to 2,000 because it's just a number. Thanks a lot, and here we go with this Onolicious recipe. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your Burpee Yoga Uncle. What's up with your Uncle Burpee Yoga? Yeah, I like to cook. I love seafood. This is a piece of salmon that we have left over. These are the ingredients. You need to have Masago and mayonnaise and a lemon. And let's get started. It's such an easy recipe. We used to bake it, but today I want to use the instant fryer to do it, the hot fryer to do it, because that way it will make it easier and faster. And this is the secret, by the way. Masago is the secret. Here we go. The other thing that's very important, capers. You have to have capers in this. So we're gonna start with mayonnaise. Like the more the merrier, because we're gonna cover up the top of the fish. So I'm guessing that should do it. The Masago, I'm just gonna mix it. Capers. Pepper. Just a little bit. Garlic. Just a little bit. Salt. Just a little bit. And that's it. Ooh, yummy. Pepper. Salt. The lemons. Because the sauce makes it. You see this? Down, 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 down. Because more lemon. And now we put it in the air fryer, and then that's pretty much it. The whole recipe. It fits in the air fryer perfectly. That's why I cut off the tail, and now we're gonna air fry it. My thing is done. We'll just let it sit here and let it cook, and we'll be plating it. Actually, just eating it. The moment of truth. Look at that. Amazingly beautiful and so tasty with so much flavors. The Masago with its saltiness and sea flavor, along with the capers and the lemon. Look at that. My goodness. Oh. The burst of capers, when it's not salty enough, and it becomes the tart that gives the salmon. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, jeez. The capers, the kingpin. It's your aunt. Get it while you can. Please like and subscribe. So good.